The demand for organized, professional game rooms has spiked, appealing to typists who crave orderly workspaces and gamers needing a dedicated loadout station for their equipment. This guide evaluates the best pool cue rocks, analyzing their switch type, clip retention versus gravity feed, build quality, wood density and finish, layout, corner versus wall-mounted footprint. Product number 1. Pool cue rock. Hold up to 8 sticks. This rock is the 10-keyless keyboard of the billiard world, compact, efficient, and designed to maximize desk, or in this case, floor space. Typically designed as a corner unit, it utilizes the often wasted layout of room corners to store a surprisingly high volume of gear. Holding up to 8 cues, it offers higher density than standard 6-cue wall racks, making it ideal for the enthusiast with a growing collection of break cues, jump cues, and shooters. The switch type here is a gravity-fed hole system. You simply slide the cue butt into the base divot and lean the shaft into the top clip or notch. This ensures there is no mechanical stress on the cue shaft that could cause warping over time, a critical factor for typists and gamers who understand that precision tools need careful storage. Build quality is generally reliable, often constructed from MDF with a veneer finish that matches standard pool table aesthetics. Product number 2. Freestanding Billiard Cue Rock. The freestanding billiard cue rock is designed for the user who views their game room as a dynamic, changing environment. Unlike wall-mounted units that are permanent fixtures, this rock offers mobility, the wireless peripheral of the group. You can shift it next to the table during play and tuck it away afterwards. It typically features a rectangular or square footprint that is stable yet unobtrusive. In terms of build quality, this unit often focuses on furniture-grade aesthetics. It acts as a display piece, ensuring your cues look like a presented arsenal rather than just stored tools. The layout usually includes dedicated spots for a full set of billiard balls on the top or bottom shelf, a feature that appeals to organized gamers who hate chasing loose gear. The retention mechanism, or switch type, usually avoids tight clips, relying instead on rubber rings or deep grooves to keep cues upright. This allows for a hot swappable experience where you can grab a new cue instantly without wrestling with a stiff plastic clip. For players who value accessibility and a classic clubhouse look, this freestanding option delivers both style and utility. Product number 3. Floor Pool Cue Rock Hold 8 Cue Sticks. This model is the heavy-duty chassis option. While similar in capacity to other 8 cue stands, this specific floor rock prioritizes stability and weight distribution. It is designed to prevent the top-heavy wobble that plagues cheaper stands when fully loaded. For the gamer who has invested in expensive custom cues, this stability is non-negotiable. The layout is engineered for efficiency. It often features a wider base that anchors the unit, and the spacing between the cue holes is generous enough to accommodate thicker, custom rubber grips without them touching. The build quality feels dense and secure. Once assembled, it acts as a permanent station. Some versions include built-in coasters or dedicated slots for chalk and triangles, consolidating your entire inventory into one hub. Value-wise, it hits the sweet spot between a simple wall bracket and an expensive furniture cabinet. It doesn't require installation, no drills, and it protects your cues from wall dampness or leaning warping. It is a solid, no-nonsense storage solution for the serious player who wants their equipment accessible and safe. Product number 4. Pool Cue Rack. This entry represents the standard OEM solution, the classic wall-mounted rack found in pool halls worldwide. It is the minimalist's choice, offering pure functionality with zero wasted space. If you have limited floor space, perhaps your table is in a tight room, this wall-mounted layout is the only logical choice, keeping the cues flush against the wall and out of the traffic zone. The switch type usually involves plastic or nylon clips that grip the cue shaft. While effective, typists who are sensitive to tactile feedback should look for racks with soft rubber inserts to prevent scratching the cue finish over years of removing and replacing. The build quality is simple. 2 pieces of wood, a top and bottom rail, that rely on your wall anchors for stability. Despite its simplicity, the value is unbeatable. It is the most cost-effective way to get your cues off the floor and into a safe vertical position. For casual players or those outfitting a garage setup where utility trumps luxury, this standard rock is the reliable, industry-standard pick that gets the job done.
Product number 5. Fat Cat 2-piece wall-mounted hardwood billiard or pool cue rack. The Fat Cat 2-piece is the custom mechanical keyboard with wood accents of this roundup. It exudes a premium feel that cheaper plastic or particle board racks simply cannot match. Made from solid hardwood, the build quality is exceptional, offering a rich grain and a finish, often in oak or mahogany tones, that complements high-end pool tables perfectly. The layout is a classic 2-piece wall mount design, but Fat Cat elevates it with superior craftsmanship. The top piece features routed holes rather than cheap clips or high-quality clips that are gentle on the shaft. The bottom piece has distinct deep divots to secure the cue butts. This switch type, the interaction of placing the cue, feels smooth and deliberate, appealing to those who appreciate tactile quality. Value here is derived from longevity and aesthetics. This is a rack that will likely last as long as the pool table itself. It turns your cue collection into wall art. For the serious homeowner who wants their game room to look professional and polished, the Fat Cat rack is the finishing touch that ties the room together.